Customer complaint, wiper, front wiper washer motor isn't working. So I pull up on it, nothing happens. Wipers aren't going, the sprayer isn't going. Remove the steering column cover, 2 screws, one here, one on the other side. Key on. You can see there's a little tab here that's from the wiper switch, so you just carefully check it for power. It does have power, and I say carefully because you could be touching ground here, and then that'll blow a fuse. Then what you do is you just hold up on the wiper stock, and then you just give that little piece of metal or that tab a little bit more pressure, and there goes the wipers and sprayer. So there's bad contacts down here. Simple enough to fix. You disassemble it, take the steering wheel off, take the wiper stock off, and then just clean it with a bit of sandpaper. I'll show you when I get there. And look at the shavings here. Horn ring is starting to wear out. Put some lube on it. And make sure there's no sharp edges on that little wiper. Milwaukee still hasn't sent me anything, so I'm working manual. Come on. And you gotta disconnect the connectors. For the high beam dimmer switch, I like to go in here with a screwdriver. Just carefully help it down. It's a tight squeeze. And then you can pull this thing off. What am I stuck on? Okay, and then you can disassemble the switch. These two just hook together. There's little tabs. One here, one here. Come on. So that's the washer here. And here's those two contacts, and you can see that What I like to do first though is go in here with sandpaper, clean the top, clean the bottom. You can even squeeze these two a little bit, just so that so that the switch doesn't have to travel as far to get to the contact. And then that's it. Put it back together in a reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Part and just push down a bit on it. And you can see the wipers came to life, and the sprayer as well. So over time what happens is that the little lever, it deforms a bit. Fuck me.